Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your existing Valora account. If you have an existing Valora wallet and you'd like to import it or log into it using a new device, then follow along till the end of the video. First of all, launch open the Valora application from your app drawer. Soon after you load open the app, this will be the first interface. To log into your existing wallet, tap on I have a wallet at the bottom. Go through the terms and conditions and click on accept. And on the next page, choose a 6-digit PIN you'd like to use to secure your wallet and enter it on the text box. After you type in your PIN, re-enter it once again. After you do that, you can turn on fingerprint recognition or Face ID to secure your wallet. Simply tap on the turn on button, or if you want to do it later, you can tap on skip for now. On the next page, choose how you would like to restore your wallet. You can restore from email and phone backup if you backed it up using email and phone option previously, or if you've backed up your recovery phrases, you'll need to tap on from recovery phrase. Since I backed up with my recovery phrase, I'm gonna have to select the second option, that is from recovery phrase. If you've done the same, simply go ahead and tap on the option, and on the next page, enter your recovery phrases, which is 12 or 24 characters long, and write it down in the correct order. After typing down the recovery phrases in the correct order, click on restore at the bottom, and you will then be able to log into your existing wallet. And that is how you easily log into Valora wallet with the help of your recovery phrases. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.